Raging while trading is one of the worst things you can do for your account balance. It puts you in a terrible frame of mind. It makes you trade irrationally. Overall, you're just going to lose more money if you rage at a trade. Therefore, I have done the best that I can to kind of kick that emotion out of my trading plan. But I can't deny the fact that watching someone lose money and lose their mind is great content. So, in the mind of me kicking it out of my trades, but still wanting to make good content, today we're going to be reacting to the top 5 largest day trader rages. Hit like if you enjoy this kind of content, hit subscribe if you're new, and let's get into it. Alrighty, so let's jump into the top 5 trading rages.
Trading fails and meltdowns.
This video will be linked in the description down below to give the credit. Obviously, I'm yoinking content a little bit here, so.
Some AMRN right here,
Alrighty, first one. What's this fella doing? Looks like he's longing this stock because it got over an MA. I really just don't like this trade in general. What do I always say? Don't chase micro strength into macro weakness. This stock is downtrending, and he's buying because he thinks it's curling now. He's fighting against this trend. Chasing into downtrend. No, thank you. And
shit, come on, man.
I mean, we all know the outcome of these videos because that's the video title.
Right here, so maybe
also look at the volume in this stock. Look at how light the volume is in this. I mean, each one of these bars, I don't know exactly what time frame he's looking at, but each one of these bars is trading, just a couple thousand shares. Don't be careful trading low float stocks. One big order can come through and rip a low volume stock like that.
Shit.
Wow.
Oh shit, dude. What the fuck? I just lost $1,500. What the fuck? Oh shit.
That's me when I rage. Just a bunch of cuss words. But yeah, if you're trading low volume stuff like this, one big order, one whale can say, okay, I want to sell, and it'll affect it this hard because the volume's so low. Orders just aren't sitting out there to catch these knives like
Number
that.
4. Bam, bam.
That
Everything
sucks.
happens
That
so
sucks,
fast.
but
all right, man. How are you doing this week?
Man.
Don't buy downtrending stocks on upticks, and don't trade low volume stocks.
But man, today is a really beautiful day. My strategy go perfectly. Let me explain.
This guy's up on LOOK.
Important rule about trading, day trading, a penny stock. Everything bam bam happens so fast. You got to focus on this. You got to focus on this.
The important rule of day trading penny stocks is everything happens so fast.
That's a chat for with professional.
Good rule.
To make sure we're in the same page. You know what I mean? But anyway,
chatting
let me
with
show
the
you this
professional,
strategy.
he really knows what he's doing. Okay.
As you can see, this stock, I've been looking at this for a long time. It tried to go above $1, but when it did, boom, skyrocket jump. See, right now it's about, and it even go above $2. That means this stock at the end of this week, or maybe today, it have chance to go to $5. So what I do is, I put about 20.
Did you hear what he just said? The stock just went above $2. That means it has a good chance to go to $5. That I hear beginners say crap like that so much.
$2 right here.
Why?
This one I got
just
in
because
the
it broke
$2.
why does it have to go to 5?
20,000 shares.
Hell, if
20,000
anything, when
share of
stocks
$2,
make
so that's
huge,
about-
I mean, this stock
about
looks like it just went from like 10 cents to $2. That's a freaking giant move. Isn't the next logical step for it to come down? Why is it going to continue? It's just made a giant move. You want to buy it here? You think it's going to keep going from here after this big of a move?
$40,000.
Like
40,000.
It's not that it's impossible. Nothing's
put that
impossible, but
much
it's
in
not
there?
likely to continue after it's already made
That's
that
all I
big of a
got,
move.
man. I gotta say, because
He
my
just said he has
grandfather
$40,000 in
say,
this
you want to
position,
be
by the
rich,
way.
you want to get successful, you gotta take a risk sometime. And my grandfather never lose.
You
So
want
what
to
I
be
do is,
successful, you got to take a risk
so
sometimes.
when it's about to hit $4
kind of
or
agree with
$5,
that,
that's when
but
I'm gonna make a
measured
big money.
risk.
And
Uh-oh.
hold on, what the heck?
Oh, his
Cannot be happening.
monitor's cut off. Yeah, you have to take measured risks to be successful, not just randomly buying, chasing huge
Man,
moving
you need to
penny
be
stocks.
watching that in case something happens.
There was a cut there
No,
in the
man, just
video.
hold on a second.
Make
man.
sure you're using a brokerage that has 1, a mobile app, and 2, customer support you can call. Because things like this do happen. Things like this have happened to me. My monitor's cut out, but I have the Thinkorswim app I can jump onto, sell my positions. The Thinkorswim, or the TDA customer support is very good. You can call them, tell them to close positions if something like this happens. There was I guess there was a cut in the video, and his stock is, of course,
Man, you need
fails
to
and meltdowns, is way back down. His buddy's just laughing at him, filming him.
Hold on. Let me zoom in.
So I take it since he's angry, he bought above $2. I take it he bought the break of $2. Now looks like it's trading back at $1. So
I did not do the stop loss. I was too exciting to do the stop loss
on his $40,000 position.
Why is this happening to me, man? I lose half of my money. It was like $2 something not long ago. Now it's like
his buddy filming. He's just laughing.
99. No, 106.
I mean, I guess I am too, but I'm not his buddy. I don't know him. A little less personable.
That happened so fast, man.
Maybe this guy's not his friend either. It doesn't sound like his friend.
This is a dream. My dad gonna kill me. Oh my gosh.
Oh no, my dad's gonna kill me.
What would your dad care, man?
But it's his money, man.
Yeah.
I borrow his.
Don't trade with somebody else's money, especially family or friends. Don't try to trade somebody else's money or give family or friends stock tips. Just don't do it. It's not worth it. Oh, I've seen this one. This one's boring. This guy had a bunch of Apple puts, and obviously on earnings, and Apple gapped up on earnings, and this guy kind of just sits here and watches it. He hiccups at market open. It's a pretty famous hiccup here at market open. We'll skip through this one because it's kind of boring. You've all probably seen it too. He's down $40,000 at market open. I can't confirm or deny that any of these are real or fake. I do know that one of the Wall Street Bets speaking of Apple earnings, somebody from Wall Street Bets put a wolf mask on. His name is like Wolf of Wall Street. He's wearing a wolf mask and he has like Apple calls or puts on earnings and loses a bunch of money. We know that one's fake.
My wife's
so
money.
if that one's in this video, we'll skip it because that one's been proven fake.
Money. My wife said I
now
can't
these other ones we're watching,
yesterday.
I can't confirm nor deny if they're real or fake. I don't know.
Well, I basically lost everything we had. We took out a loan.
Sorry, I missed the beginning of what this guy said.
Well, I said I can't take the losses I had yesterday.
His wife said he can't take the losses.
I basically lost everything we had. We took out a loan today. We got $10,000, so I'm gonna try and.
He lost everything they had. Yesterday, his wife's gonna kill him. Today, they took out a $10,000 loan that he's gonna try to trade with and make the money back that he lost yesterday. There's so much wrong with that. If you lost everything yesterday, stop trading. You need to practice. You need to back test. You need to paper trade. Stop trading if you just lost everything yesterday. Don't try to make it all back in one day. If you take a big loss, don't try to just make it all back. Your goal is not to make back what you lost. Your goal is to stick to your strategy, keep trading your plan. And 3, don't freaking take out a loan to trade. Especially, I mean, just don't ever do it. But especially if you just lost everything, you obviously don't quite know what you're doing yet. Why the hell are you borrowing money to go trade again?
Turn that into a victory for us. And I'm hoping I can do it. So today is going to be a good day.
It's obviously not going to go well. We know it's not going to go well via the video we're watching, but let's see.
Cents, and I'm going to buy it. All right, there's a small drop right here. I'm going to buy right here.
He's going to buy a dip. Nice. At least you're buying a dip, maybe. I mean, we can't see his chart.
Keyboard I'm going to use, and let's see what we can do here.
Yes, nice keyboard, my friend.
All right, I'm going to buy 125 shares of your finest stock you got. Woo!
125 shares.
And we're going to buy it and write it out. So I hope you guys are ready to watch me get rich.
Do you guys see how hard he's already breathing? Right after he bought that stock, do you see how hard he started breathing?
Right.
Listen again.
And we're going to buy it and write it out.
He's nervous immediately.
So I hope you guys are ready to watch me get rich, because I'm gonna do it. Alright guys.
Don't think a trade is gonna make you rich. You shouldn't be that nervous when you're entering a trade. You're trading too much money. You have too much on the line. Don't borrow money. Don't revenge trade. This guy is a great example. Hey, you guys want to know what mindset you shouldn't be in while you're trading? Study this guy, right? Like, study this video. No hate to the guy. I mean, maybe, but, you know, this is a good example of how not to be when you're trading.
So far, it's not looking so good. Things are down. I'm down about 6.67%.
He's down 6%.
I'm hoping to get it cracking, get it whipping, get these horses in line, and get them back to the stable.
Get these horses in line, get them back to the stable. Should I use more metaphors like that? He's down 9% now. It's accelerating down. He was just down 6. Now he's down 9.
I'll put it in to kind of even everything out.
Oh, he's buying more. Now he's down, so he's gonna try to. Now he's averaging down. He's putting in more money into a losing
That's
trade, he's
gonna
putting
kill
in
me
more
if
money.
it keeps going down.
He's worried about his wife.
But I'm alright. We'll be alright. We'll hang in there tough.
Yeah.
We'll hang in there tough.
You're tough, man.
5% down now. I'm just going to leave the computer and hopefully I come back and we're going to check it out and everything going to be alright.
He's down.
Alright.
He's down 9.5%. He just bought more to average down, and now he's just going to leave the computer.
I haven't looked at the stock yet. It's been about 3 hours. My wife is still not home.
He's down 9% on money that he took a loan out to trade with, and he just walked away from the computer for 3 hours.
He's off banging the mailman.
And his wife's
Either
banging
way,
the mailman.
I'm going to take a look at it now. I just got
his
to
wife's
log into
banging
my
the
account and see
mailman.
where I'm at. I'm hoping for the best. I'm hoping for a turnaround. If I can't get a turnaround, man, she should be banging the mailman. For all I know, she is. But
she should be banging.
Let's check it out here. We're gonna log in. Oh boy,
it's not gonna be good, of course.
Oh, she gonna leave me. Oh man.
I shouldn't laugh at that. I feel bad laughing. She gonna leave me. Don't cry, buddy. I mean, you did just take out a loan and lose all the money.
That don't make a lick of sense. That don't make a lick of sense.
That's That's a super beginner mindset as well. You guys know what I'm talking about. Anytime a trade goes against a beginner, it doesn't make any sense. I can't lose. How am I losing money? It doesn't make sense. The stock can't go down. I bought because blah, blah, blah. The stock can't go down. Stocks can do anything they want. Trading is nothing but measured risk, right? Trading is gambling. The point is to give yourself a house edge. But it's not, you are going to take trades that are A+ setups, and you are going to lose money. Like,
I read about
it's a very beginner thing
every
to
single
go, this
one
can't
of them
happen.
said it
No.
was going to go up, and here it is.
Oh, every article he read says it's going to go up.
Look
yeah.
at it.
He bought it because
It's
he read some
down
articles.
in the dumps.
Yeah.
I've never seen anything like this.
I've never seen
anything like this. Yeah. It's down 32% just on the day.
Down 30. Sounds
Somebody fucking tricked me, man.
Sounds like he chased something too. If it's down 32% on the day,
they're gonna repossess my car.
Oh, don't cry,
this
man.
This is some bullshit.
Don't
you try to make
man.
yourself an honest dollar, and you get yourself
honest dollar.
In the butt.
I wouldn't call day trading trying to make an honest dollar.
Number 1, Wolf of Main Street.
This is the one. Yeah. This is the one that's proven fake. This one has been proven fake. I think the guy even came out on Wall Street Bets and admitted it was fake a couple years ago. We won't watch it. Once again, I can't confirm or deny that the other ones are real, but we know that one's fake, so we won't watch it. Let's throw one more in so we actually do get a top 5 since we skipped one.
Why do I ever listen to anyone in the fucking chat?
Huh?
I'm going to take it right there just to lock it down. Don't want to get stuck in some stupid bounce back up on TATT short there. And there it goes, down there to the 590s.
So he just shorted TATT, and he made some money on it. But he's down $1,400 on CBAT. So he's down $328 on the day. This trade he just made money on, though, right? He just shorted and made money. Okay.
God,
but he's still down.
I don't know why I look at the chat. I don't want advice from anybody. It's crazy. Look at my P&L. Oh my.
Oh.
Fuck! I just blew a fucking brain. Oh my. Fuck!
That's what I'm talking about. That's the rage I'm talking about, man. Yeah, so he actually did make money in this trade. If you get out where you're supposed to get out in a trade, and then it like keeps going your direction, you can't be upset about that. You have to have objectively defined reasons to enter and exit stocks. If you get out at your objectively defined reason to exit a stock and it just happens to keep going down, oh well, you got out where you're supposed to get out, right? Now, if you don't have that objectively defined reason and you're just randomly getting in and out, that's when you start to get emotional like this. So, no hate to the boy Patrick, but sounds like he doesn't have an objectively defined trading plan here.
Why do I ever listen to anyone in the fucking chat? Like, what the fuck are you talking
don't
about?
attack
Why
your
the fuck
chat,
are you still
man.
arguing me? Like, why are you even here? What the fuck is that guy talking about? Fucking retarded.
Whoa,
this is why I don't
whoa,
trade.
whoa.
I don't do live.
I don't condone the use of that word.
Live streams. This is why I don't do fucking live streams. I don't want
Don't
to
attack
fucking
your
hear
chat,
what
man.
anyone has to say. I don't give a fuck. I'm not live streaming anymore. I'm not live streaming anymore. Everybody's
I'm not going to sit here and pretend that I've never gotten angry at someone in chat. Listen, day trading is hard. We all know this. Day trading in front of a live audience, very, very hard. Because, you know, every time, you guys know, especially if you watch my Twitch, every time I lose money, somebody's got some advice for me. Right? Oh, you should have done this. You should have done this. Okay, yeah. I do get it. It can be frustrating.
fucking Warren Buffett on YouTube. Everybody's fucking Warren Buffett. It's like, listen,
I kind of agree
you guys
with that,
are here. You're here to watch me trade. So why the fuck does anyone try to tell me what to do? It's like, why?
I try not to
Every
get this
single
aggressive
person
about
who said anything about the trade on TATT, every single person, like, listen, just go ahead and fucking just punch yourself in the face because you're fucking a moron. It's not, I didn't get fucking lucky. Like, what are you talking about? It's not fucking paper trading. What the fuck? Literally don't want to listen. I don't want to listen to anybody. It's so fucking stupid.
It's not
What are you
fucking paper
talking about? I can't see anything you're saying. I just closed out the chat, so it doesn't matter. You can
His
stay
chat
away
really
from me.
got to
I'm
him
not
that
fucking
day,
live
man.
streaming anymore.
His chat really got to him that day, huh? Alrighty. Those were the top 5 fails. We're back on the main. My green screen's all janky, whatever. Those were the top 5 trading fails and rages. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys enjoy maybe content like this. Hit the like button if you do. This was kind of a silly one, obviously, but maybe we can do more kind of reactionary stuff to this, to like actual educational stuff as well. I really want to watch the Mark Douglas webinar. He's the guy that wrote Trading in the Zone, my favorite trading book, a book that I really think made me a profitable trader. I really want to watch his webinar on YouTube. Maybe I'll do that while like live reacting to it like this as well to make content out of it. Let me know if you guys would enjoy stuff like that. So hit the like button if you would. Hit the red subscribe button if you're new. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I will catch you all in the next one.